If you want to buy a cheaper, a wood cutter, please don't buy this right here. As you can see, we have a horsepower 420 cc engine. Supposed to be a big engine, and the capacity of cutting 4 inches from 1 to 4. So, as you can see here, it will cut this right here 1 inch. 1 inch, it will do fine. I cannot complain about it. Now, if you put this right here, it's not even 1.5. It will struggle. It can't cut it. And now I try this right here. It's not even almost 2 inches, and it's not doing nothing. So, as you can see, we're about to put in a sample here. Here's the first thing. So people, if you want to buy a cheaper right here, this right here is not a good brand. And it cost me over $1,000. Brand new, I just bought it. Brand new. It's worthless, not worth $1,000. So, if you're gonna get one, please don't buy this. This is garbage. Thank you for your appreciation.